Now let us learn about functions and modules. So what is a function? A function is a block of code which executes some logic. And what is module? Module is a bundle of functions. So function is a group of code which execute a particular logic, and modules contain n number of functions inside it. So until now we have seen some of those functions. Let us see. Like we have seen POW function, which gives the exponential value, and we have seen print is also a function. This is also a function, inbuilt function, and there is a function called max which finds the maximum values and give the maximum among them, compare them and give the maximum, and like this there are many built-in functions. And there is a function called minimum to find the minimum among the values. So how do we find all these functions available for us? So for that we should have to write dir. Dir is for directive, and inside the bracket double underscore type built-ins and give double underscore again. Remember this, dir double underscore built-ins double underscore inside the brackets, and press enter. So these are all the functions available for us. Now we can use all of them. Like see here, we have used max, we have used print is a function, we have used POW is a function, we have used round is used for rounding the values. Like this all these functions are available. But what if you don't know? We know the function is available, but we don't know what the purpose of the function is. So we can find the purpose also. So here see, there is a function called help. We can use the help, like say type help and inside the bracket, because it is a function. So if you want to know what is like max function, what is max function, and press enter, it will give all the details about that function. So like this, max argument 1, 2, 3, we can pass the value. With the single iterable argument, it returns its biggest item. The default keyword only argument specifies an object to return if the provided iterable is empty. So like this we can find help. Let us see one more function. Let us see next. What is next function? Return the next item from the iterator. So like this, using this help we can find what the purpose of the function is, and using this dir built-ins we can find all the functions available for us. So now we have completed the built-in functions. So let us see the modules. So modules are nothing but, so these are all the functions available for us, but so there are lot of modules available for us. Like let us say one module, there is math is a module. So we should have to import the module first, math. So once we imported it, we can use the functions inside the math. For that the syntax is the module name dot, see here, as soon as I press the dot, all the available functions are shown. Let me press one more time dot. If you don't know what to enter, it will show all the functions available. So these are all the functions. Press the down key to know all the functions. And we can, like, there is a function called sqrt to finding the square root. Let us see, the square root of 9 we know is 3. So like this we can import the module and use the function of that module. So first we should have to know the module name. So we don't know the module name. So to know what are all the modules available, we should have to help, open bracket, close bracket, and inside that just write modules and press enter. See here, please wait a moment while I gather a list of all the modules. So these are all the modules available. And suppose you don't know what is this anti-gravity module. First we should have to import it, and let us say we don't know what is anti-gravity. Let us say what we don't know the math. First we should have to import the module, and then help, inside that write math. So this is a very big document about the math. What are the functions inside it, how we should have to use it, everything will be given. So please remember to use the help, how to get the modules. So to get the modules you should have to write help, inside double quotation you write modules. Once again I will show you. This will bring all the modules, and if you want the help of the module, write the module inside the help. It will give the help for the module. To know what are the functions, you should have to write dir underscore underscore built-ins underscore. It will give all the functions inside the available functions you can use. Now if you want to help for the function, give the function, it will give the help. So like this you can use the inbuilt functions and modules. So hope you understood. If you get any confused, go to the Google. Google is the best friend, where you can get lot of information. When you get a doubt, just Google it. Hope you understood how to just use the inbuilt function, and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.